In 2015, 43 million consumers worldwide were victims of fraudulent car emissions claims. American car owners launched a collective redress lawsuit against the car maker. Europeans, however, found it near impossible because legislation in EU countries was not always compatible.
I would say 5 countries it was possible to bring collective redress actions, which are still pending in courts. But what about all the other European countries and consumers who have those cars?
The European Union has some of the most robust consumer protection rules in the world. Parliament has reached an initial agreement with EU governments to give European citizens from across all member states the possibility to sue companies collectively.
D'ici 2 ans, 2 ans et demi, les consommateurs de l'ensemble de l'Union européenne devraient être considérablement mieux protégés. Ça prend du temps parce que ça engage 500 millions de consommateurs.
Once the new legislation comes into force, consumer rights groups will be able to take legal action on behalf of domestic and cross-border victims of the same rights infringement.
Nous avons veillé à ce qu'au sein de l'Union européenne, la réforme des class actions permette certes de mieux protéger les consommateurs, mais aussi d'assurer la sécurité juridique des entreprises.
Through the loser pays principle, where the losing party pays all the legal costs, Parliament has ensured companies are protected from abusive claims.